Hello friends and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Okay, today we're making Baked Ziti, rich, cheesy, saucy, and packed with flavor. Made with a combination of hot and sweet Italian sausage, a long-simmered marinara sauce, creamy homemade ricotta, mozzarella cheese, Pecorino Romano. This baked ziti is pure Italian-American comfort food. Perfect for family dinners, potlucks, holidays, or whenever you're craving a classic baked pasta dish. Okay, we're going to remove our sausage from the casing. I used half hot Italian sausage and half sweet Italian sausage, but you can make any combination you like. You can go all sweet, all hot. You can do honey Italian sausage, anything, whatever you like. Now we're going to chop up one large onion. We're going to chop up our Pecorino Romano cheese. And we're going to grate up some Pecorino Romano cheese. We're going to prepare our baking dish with some olive oil. And we're going to put our olive oil in a large saucepan over high heat. Now we're going to add our onions and sausage to the pot. We're going to cook that, breaking up the sausage until it's browned and the onions are translucent. Then we're going to add our oregano and thyme and rosemary and cook for about 1 minute. We're going to add our marinara sauce. Then we're going to rinse the jars and add that in too. We're going to stir that in and bring that up to a simmer. Then we're going to lower our heat to medium-low and simmer that for about 1 hour, stirring occasionally. If you want, you can skim some of the extra fat off the top. While the sauce is simmering, we can bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Once it's boiling rapidly, we can add in our ziti. Now we're going to cook that about 1 to 2 minutes less than what the package says. Then we're going to strain our ziti into the sink. We're going to stir in our meat sauce to the pasta and let it rest for about 5 minutes. While that's resting, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. We're going to layer in half of the pasta mixture. Then we're going to top that with half the ricotta, mozzarella, and pecorino. Then we're going to put in the remaining pasta and put in the rest of the cheese. Then we're going to gently shake the pan to settle everything down. We're going to place that in the preheated oven. We're going to bake that uncovered for about 30 to 35 minutes until it's melted and bubbly. We're going to let that rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Then garnish with a little bit of parsley. Then we're going to serve that up. It pairs really well with a Caesar salad. So there you go, baked ziti. Enjoy. If you'd like to make your own homemade ricotta cheese, I will put a link down in the ingredients. It's real easy and real delicious. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.